how to duplicate Shopify store. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to duplicate Shopify store. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open the Shopify website on your browser. After that, sign into your account. So, once you're here, all you have to do is click on applications and search for Duplify. As you can see their Duplify duplicate store, click on add app. Now all you have to do is install this application, and this application will help you to duplicate your store in one click. Now click on get started and then click on regular export. Then click on next. Now enter your destination store URL, key and email address and click on next. So I didn't have any, that's why I am not putting. So that's basically how you can duplicate Shopify store. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more content and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.